Hey everyone, welcome back to Delta Edge, your ultimate guide to the stock market. Today, we're diving into an exciting and essential topic. What are the benefits of investing in equities? Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, this video is packed with insights, tips, real-time examples, and in-depth data from the Indian stock markets, NSE and BSE. Let's get started. Understanding equity investments. First, let's quickly recap what equity investments are. Equities, also known as stocks, represent ownership in a company. When you buy shares of a company, you become a part owner and can benefit from its growth and profitability. Why should you consider investing in equities? Here are some key benefits. 1. Potential for high returns. Historically, equities have outperformed other asset classes over the long term. Investing in quality stocks can lead to significant capital appreciation. 2. Dividend income. Many companies pay dividends to their shareholders, providing a regular income stream in addition to capital gains. 3. Ownership in companies. As a shareholder, you have a stake in the company's success and can participate in its growth story. 4. Liquidity. Equities are highly liquid, meaning you can buy and sell shares easily on the stock exchanges. 5. Diversification. Investing in a variety of stocks can help spread risk and improve your portfolio's overall performance. Let's look at a real-time example from the Indian stock market. Suppose you invested in Reliance Industries, NSE, Reliance. Current price, Rs 2400. Technical analysis. Reliance is trading above its 200-day moving average of Rs 300, indicating long-term strength. Fundamental analysis. Reliance has a diversified business model, strong cash flows, and a PE ratio of 25. The company's robust fundamentals and consistent performance make it a strong candidate for long-term investment. Real-time data. Reliance has delivered an average annual return of 15% over the past 5 years, significantly outperforming the broader market. For more on Reliance, visit the link provided. For successful equity investing, both technical and fundamental analysis are crucial. Let's break down the analysis for another example. Rs 1600. HDFC Bank is trading above its 50-day moving average of Rs 1550, indicating a bullish trend. HDFC Bank has a PE ratio of 20, consistent revenue growth, and a strong balance sheet. The bank's solid fundamentals and leadership position in the market make it an attractive investment. HDFC Bank has provided an average annual return of 12% over the past 5 years, with regular dividend payouts. So, how can you get started with equity investing? Here are some steps. Understand the basics of stock market investing, including key terms and concepts. Stay updated with market trends and news to make informed decisions. Identify companies with strong fundamentals and growth potential. Use technical analysis to determine the right time to buy or sell stocks. Invest in a mix of stocks across different sectors to spread risk. Consider investing in mutual funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, for broader exposure. Regularly review your portfolio and make adjustments based on market conditions and your financial goals. Stay disciplined and avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. In conclusion, investing in equities offers numerous benefits, including the potential for high returns, dividend income, and ownership in companies. By understanding the fundamentals, performing thorough analysis, and following a disciplined investment approach, you can make the most of your equity investments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Delta Edge for more insights into the stock market and investing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Got questions or thoughts about investing in equities? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy investing.